Afternoon. Welcome to the channel, Retired Don't Give Up. Today is the day most of you have been waiting for. It's going to be the final review on the renovation to the balcony. It's been several weeks since I did the fourth part. We wanted to make sure everything was complete and finished before we did the final review. Pleased to say at this point we are done. All the painting, the staining, the finishing, everything is in for now. Now, for those who've seen the beautiful wood house, I did a complete tour of the house, and I explained that in order to get to our living quarters, which is at the back of the house, we had to come around and up these stairs, through here, and up these stairs, and into the main hall, the Buddha room, walk through to our living quarters, our suite at the back of the house. The balcony is right in the sunshine, and in the heat of the day, it's an unbearable place. You know, literally a waste of space. So we wouldn't even go out there. So now we've added the staircase at the back, which I'm going to show you. And now we have a completed, beautiful room. Come take a look. So here's the stairs. They fabricated them out of steel on site. We cut into the kitchen here and added a door. So now we can go straight from the kitchen through and up. Cement pad. And then what we did is we tiled all the stairs with beautiful stone, folk stone tile all the way up. The stairs come up to a landing and then make the turn to the top of the top to the balcony. We finally got our railing on. Unfortunately, it's a larger, thicker railing than expected, but it was the last piece of steel we had. But it's fine. I'll take you around the back. So the top platform comes to the same level as the balcony, and as you can see, the whole side is completely finished, inside and out. And of course, looking at the balcony, you know, you would never know that the balcony extended through there. The railing is a little short. Sometimes standards, you know, don't always come into play. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm actually thinking I'm going to add a piece of wood, teak wood railing, which make it a little bit better. So, well, that was the outside. Now we'll take a tour of the inside. But first, I need the land. And I just happen to have the perfect place right here.
Song Tower, drone Charlie Delta Charlie on final approach to helipad 1.
Charlie Delta Charlie, Song Tower, you are cleared to land. Be advised, auto land systems unavailable due to proximity of structural hazards.
So we would come through here. This is her Buddha room. I showed it before. It's her prayer room, her son's bedroom, spare bedroom. Very large room. This will be where we'll be doing the wedding ceremony. But we'd come through here and we would come to this door, which would go into our basic living area, living suite. My computer table, TV, and a couch. Quite comfortable, not very big, but you know, my coat of arms, very important. Bathroom and bedroom. And this is the inside of our room. Double doors open onto the balcony, windows, main door and windows, a beautiful walnut table, nice comfortable chair that we had in the other house in Chiang Mai. We have these fans, everything's nicely painted, stained, again teak. Electrical, lights, my coffee station, as I said I was going to have, with fridge, and my lunch. So the trim, they call this, we call it trim, they call it eyebrow. So everything is done. They did everything with a skill saw. Electrical, all started from here, which goes through into the room. Another plug down there, and 2 fans. For the fridge, coffee station, plugs again. And as you can see, nice tile work. The tile work stops here. The idea is that when it rains, the water won't come into the room. It will stop and go out the drains. Both these doors open wide. All right, so this is what it looks like closed. And of course, this is how we take a balcony that was basically useless and we turn it into a useful room. About 400 square feet. Our stairs, beautiful tile work on the stairs, all painted black. All the ceilings all done, lights, absolutely beautiful woodwork. The eyebrow trim all the way around. We leave the main door open and open this door if we have company. We can sit quite nicely in here. It's 34 degrees out right now, and this here is saying it's 28 degrees in here. Not a big difference, but the big difference is of course humidity. It's removed the humidity and it's actually quite comfortable in here. At night when we go to bed, I open everything up and it's quite cool in the morning. So nice little sitting area. Now I'll show you what it looks like with all the windows open. Surprise, it's raining. Well, it is Thailand and it is the rainy season. So this is what it looks like with everything open. So the whole idea when I first designed this is I wanted to have it so that you could close it up in bad weather, but in nice weather it opens up to make the room completely different. Double doors out onto the balcony. Again, you look at the railing of the balcony, and I'll show you a quick picture of what the balcony looked like before we did this. And how they actually changed it and made it look like completely different, as if this was not ever a balcony. All the windows could open, and in fact, we've had the windows wide open in a good heavy rain, and the rain does not come in. I usually leave this door closed. In a heavy rain, even with wind, we are very well protected. The design of the roof keeps us well covered. Well, this door here we don't open simply because it would be blocking the doorway. Now, one of the things I missed is, of course, when you notice when everything was closed up, not very much natural light. And I should have thought of that, but I didn't. And in a later date, I may consider changing one of these doors, probably this one here, and change this to glass. This turns the lights on and off in here. Of course, I have a light over the coffee station that's turned off and on inside the room. This other switch turns on the lights over the staircase. There's a three-way switch. There's another switch just inside the kitchen down below, so if you're coming up at night, you can turn them on from there. I've broken down a lot of the prices in the previous videos. The final price for this renovation, start to finish, 245,000 baht. So this is our room. This is our addition to our suite. I hope you like the review. Yes, and of course my landing pad for my drone. Lots of fun. Okay. Until next time, bye for now. And remember, don't give up.